This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable startup apps in Windows 10. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To enable or disable startup apps in Windows 10, I'm going to show you two different ways to do that. The first way, probably the easiest way, is to go down to your taskbar down here, down to an empty area, and you want to right-click on an empty area. Then you want to go up to where it says Task Manager and click on Task Manager. That'll open up your Task Manager, and at the top up here, these tabs, you want to click on the Startup tab. That will list all of your startup apps, and you can go down through all your startup apps. It tells you their status, if they're enabled or disabled to start up when your computer starts up. Like this top one, Canva, if I wanted to enable that, I would just right-click on it. I would click on Enable. And if I wanted to disable it, I would do the same thing. I would click on it, and I would click on Disable. That's the way to do it in the Task Manager. Another way to do it is within your settings. I'm going to go down to the lower left-hand corner, down to my little start icon. I'm going to right-click on the start icon. I'm going to go up to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. That will open up the Settings dialog box, and in the Settings dialog box, you want to go to Apps. Click on Apps. Now the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to go down to where it says Startup, and click on Startup. This will list all of your startup apps. You could scroll down through them. And there's a toggle for each one to enable it to start up or to disable it from starting up when your computer starts up, like the Canva one. If I wanted to enable that, I would toggle it on. If I want to disable it, I would toggle it off. That is how to enable or disable startup apps in Windows 10. Thanks for watching.